Okay, so I'm at the start of week 3 of insanity, which means that I just did my second fit test. And can you see this? I mean, how can I angle this so you can see? You see that? You see that? I started with 87, that's 91 now. Started with 20, that's 27 now. I started with 95, that's 106. Now, I am quite positive that I'm not doing the power knees properly, because the fact that I can do more power knees than people who are actually on the screen, clearly a sign that I'm not doing something right, because Tanya is a cyborg. I'm not supposed to be able to beat her, but it is working. It is working. And I mean, even though I cuss about Shanti every day, and I still will continue to cuss about Shanti every day, the fact is that in 2 weeks, I went from being able to do 95 of something to 106. Now, on the other side of the card, things are a bit more dismal. Like when you get to globe jumps, I started with 7, I'm at 8. And I took that, did nearly a dead to get 8. The suicides started with 6, I got 7. One more, but that is one. That is improvement. And actually now, for the first time, actually I'm doing the suicides. Usually what I do is, you know, my little thing where like I go meow, 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 and take time jump out. Now I'm actually going like right? Fine. By the time I reach number 5, it's gone back to meow, meow, meow. And I don't do push-up jacks because, as I've told you, a push-up and a jumping jack cannot have a baby. A push-up jack is not a real thing. You cannot cross-mute it. No, nothing. That can happen. So I do plank walks. So I went from 8 of those to 12 of those. I'm feeling quite prideful of myself, because despite how Shanti tried to oppress me every day, he could not. And despite him, I'm thriving. I know you might think that it's because of him that I'm thriving, but I have to maintain him as the enemy, else this will not work. So, me know say it hard, but it work. So all who look on the video and say I'm going to do it and not do it, Janna, please, it's very painful to do this alone. Please find me on Twitter at MooreMayhem, MooreMayhem. Please tweet me when you're doing insanity, for I need company badly. Please, thanks, bye. Week 2, Ray, my body sort out, things are work. I work, I know chicken, I jerk.